A wide range of research suggests that physical activity can help effectively battle depression. Studies of the effects of exercise on depression date back to at least 1981. A large study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine in 1999 involved 156 participants who reported symptoms of major depression. The participants were randomly assigned to 3 different experimental groups: a medication group, an exercise group, and a group receiving both medication and exercise. After 16 weeks, about 65% of participants reported that their symptoms had been reduced to the extent that they no longer fit a diagnosis of major depression. The medication group reached this state faster than the exercise alone group, but by 16 weeks, there were no significant differences between the groups. Exercise seems to work a little more slowly than medication, but the overall effects seem to be about the same. A follow-up study was conducted, in which 133 of the participants were recruited 6 months after the end of the original study. It was found that for the people who continued with the exercise program, the rate of depression was significantly lower. While exercise seems to work more slowly than medication over the first few weeks, the lasting effects of exercise seem to be substantially greater.